Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour through downtown Kingston. We are on East Street driving towards Port Royal Street. Now downtown Kingston is one of the busiest places in the city of Kingston. Halfway Tree and New Kingston are probably the only two places busier than downtown Kingston. And back in the day, downtown Kingston was a very busy business district. It was the main business district for Jamaica until New Kingston came along. So you find a lot of government buildings down here, a lot of government agencies, ministries are down here. Now straight ahead is the Air Jamaica building. And back in the day, Air Jamaica was a national airline for Jamaica and one of the best airlines in the world. But they closed down. However, this building still has the name Air Jamaica. Now behind it, that's the Bank of Jamaica building, and that's the central bank for Jamaica. So this street that we're going across now is Harbour Street, and then we're going down. This street now is Port Royal Street straight ahead. Now, downtown has a lot of one-ways because it's so busy. They have a lot of one-ways to control the flow of traffic. So that's the Bank of Jamaica building straight ahead. And some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are located in downtown Kingston. You have Ocean Boulevard, which is right beside the Kingston Harbor, and that's prime real estate in Jamaica. You have some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are located there. Now this building, the Bank of Jamaica building, it's one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. I think it's in the top 10, definitely the top 20. This building now that we're looking at, this is the Scotia Center, and this is the second tallest building in Jamaica. Actually, that's now the third tallest building in Jamaica because the Rogers has passed 18 floors. So the Rogers is the tallest building in Jamaica, followed by the Pegasus Hotel at 17 floors. And then that building, the Scotia Center, which we just looked at, that's the third tallest building. That's either 15 or 16 floors. So we are now on Port Royal Street. So this intersection now is King Street. Over here on the right is a Moby Dick restaurant, very popular restaurant in downtown Kingston. On the left is the Digicel building, that's the head office for Digicel in the Caribbean. So we're going to turn on to Ocean Boulevard and give you guys a tour of what's going on there. So that's the craft market on the right. See if I can get the Digicel building. There you go. So straight ahead, that's the Kingston Harbor, and as you can see, Ocean Boulevard overlooks the harbor. Very nice view, very scenic view. Alright, so let's do this. This is the digital building here. And then over here is the office center, so the UDC building. And then over here is Ocean Towers. This one is a residential building. And then beside it now is ROK, which is a hotel. My people drive so bad, it's unbelievable. And then over here now is Ocean 7, sorry, which is where you have restaurants and bars and those kind of things, and entertainment place. And on the left now is a conference center. And this is a very nice view of the Kingston Harbor. You can see how busy the harbor is, so many ships. And then this is the Bank of Jamaica building, and then the Scotia Center. Alright, so this is Port Royal Street that we're going across. And then we're now going to turn right onto Harbour Street. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.